All right, what is up? We are on day 4 of the randomizer challenge. We have been running through, I think we are now gonna run through Kaled and maybe see what's up with the Altus Plateau, see what goes on here. All right, let's get right into it. Boom, YouTube intro done. We should take the portal. Okay, we're gonna take the portal over to the Beast Man, and there should be some somethings out there. Think we got this guy? Let's see. Sanity check, chat. Sorry, chat. I had to get the timer right. You know what I'm saying? I had to get the timer right. Yeah, I'm making a whole series. I already got episode 1 out, and 2 is cut up. I'm just putting some final touches on it. Well, yeah, no, not ready for this guy. Or? Okay. I can't crit him. Ah, that's gonna hurt. Fuck. Why'd I do that? I should have ran right there. Alright, let's see. I think we got it. This might take a little while. I'm not getting any bleed off, which kind of sucks. We will not talk about that one. That was an early dodge if you ever seen it. Damn, he one-taps this chat. Bro, my fucking R1 isn't working anymore. I hate when this happens. What? What? I just don't understand. I just don't understand, man. Am I just bad? Am I just bad, man? Am I just bad, man? No way, I didn't dodge. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. We're gonna go somewhere else. We're gonna go somewhere else. We're gonna go somewhere else. I need to level up my sword. I need to get some somber smithing stones. I need to go into some mines. That is what I really need to do. Like, I'm so weak right now, it's not even funny. Ash of War, no skill. What the fuck? What the fuck? I got nothing. I literally got nothing. I picked up nothing. I love this seed chop. We love this seed chop. Land sacks. Ooh. I don't think we fight land sacks. Yeah. Nope. Sanity check confirmed. We're insane. Leave me alone. So, I mean, but listen, hear me out. we're getting all these OP-ass bosses, like, early, right? So, that means that we should be getting easy bosses later. If we can get through this, we win. We win. Somber Smithing Stone 4. Huge! That's right, bird. I absolutely despise keyword should. I absolutely despise this boss. Another nope. Another nope. Another nope. Another nope. Another nope. Another nope. I can make a shit pot. What do I need to do for this one? Not that. That's for sure. I can't even... What we get? What we get? Fucking memory stone, bro. You gotta actually be fucking kidding me. Well, you know, chat, it's almost like it wants me to be a mage, bro. Like, dead ass. But it hasn't given me any fucking staves. Like, I got Rancor Call, I got fucking Flame of the Fell God, Dragon Fire, like, but I got nothing to use it. And I got 4 spell slots, like, bro. I just can't make this shit up, man. Can't make this shit up, man. There's a cave over here. We're gonna do this cave. The Dragon Burrow Cave. Alright. Very, very sneaky. Very, very sneaky. Very, very sneaky. Sorry. Apologize. Apologize for my outburst. Yeah. See? See? Yeah. Just had to look around a little bit. Thought it was. Whoa there! They're just there. They're just there, and so are my runes. Yep. You do not see me. He definitely does see me. Maybe I can just aggro him and not the bug. Come here, Mr. Sealy. Very, very kind of you, sir. Please and thank you. All I want is your life. All I want is your life. Oh, I'm dead. Why'd I heal right there? Oh, that was a panic heal. If you ever seen one. Oh, why are they so tanky? Like, why are they so tanky? Or am I just weak? Even this guy's tanky as shit. I think I'm in the wrong hood, chap. There's Smith and Son 5 down there. And yeah, our weapons, shit. Pick it. Pick it. Pick it. Oh, cool. Double clean right night down here. No, I couldn't dodge. I was out of stam. This kind of fucking sucks, dude. And I'm dead again, and I didn't pick up my runes! We can't fucking win. Can't win anywhere. Who's over here? Oh, cool. There we go. Something we can deal with. If he wants to hit. Oh, this is the one that summons the skeleton. Got hit by his own summon is crazy. Oh! He swung another time. Motherfucker gotta go, chat. No! Fucking absolutely hate this weapon. Actually. But I have no runes because I lost them all. What the fuck? Bro, we just don't fucking hurt this guy. Holy shit. $91,000 fucking runes though. That was like a final game tibia. Holy shit. Fuck it. Oh my god, I lost so much health. Ah, we're back. We're so back. We're so back. Rotten battle hammer is kind of fucking sick. Hold on. Why would I get this right now? I'm actually so upset. I'm actually so upset. Oh my god, I need to get that. Like, why would I find that weapon right after I fucking respect my life away? Malekith's gauntlets. Alright, whatever, I'll take it. Oh. Oh. And we're live. Let's get some runes, chat. That's a good 50k just about. Hell yeah, brother. Pest control. Health bar not as scary, but still terrifying. Let's see what's in here. Anything too bad so far? Oh, big rat. Let me go, you piece of shit. Like, that shit has aimbot. It literally climbed up the stairs to follow me. Insane. So I can get a larval tier here, chat. The whole game is going to absolutely, unequivocally, positively, indubitably change for the better. I mean, in such a fashion that we shall fly through this with zero complications after. Okay? Alright. The village of the Albinarks. The Albalarkis. The Abaharmas. Shishamalamalaladingons. Radagon icon, crazy. How about this guy?
Please no, dear me. We are Albinorics. Oh, merciless brutes. Let the curse take everything.
Oh, let's do a boss check over here. This has gotta be the worst arena ever. We got a virgin abductor and a fucking avatar right here. I don't think we'll be going over there. And there's a lobster blocking the bridge. A frostbite lobster. That's interesting. Alright, well, there's another little place we could do a diddly check. We take this guy. maybe we just suck at dodging. Because I don't know how we didn't dodge that. Oh my god. One moment. You gotta be fucking shitting me right now. Holy fuck. We'll find a 3, we'll find a 3, we'll find a 3. I'm not even worried. This run is so good, honestly. Like, dude, this is like the best seed we could have like ever asked for. I wasn't even nowhere near that fucking hitbox. Actually, that's fucking insane. Well, there goes Death 100 shot. There's no dodging that fucking move. I think. Fuck! Like, what? Dead? Dope. Dead! What the fuck is that combo? Oh, airballed, but he doesn't. That's cool. I'm dead. I'm fighting for 6 fucking runes, by the way. Like, what the fuck am I doing? Out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm not gonna keep doing this. Promise you. Nope. 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 Can't fucking pay me. I just run through mines and hope I don't get fucking one shot trying to get a fucking somber stone. Like, fuck. And just hope to God that a somber stone's in there. Like, because they're probably not going to be anyways. I don't know. I don't know. The seed is chopped. Didn't I already fucking fight you, bro? I'm gonna just keep track of how many deaths I got in my head. That's one. Two. What the fuck? I couldn't even dodge. Like, bro. That's 3. Come. You ever seen a grown man cry, chat? Oh shit, sit. I'm trying to tell you, I'm gonna crash actually the fuck out. Dodge, you stupid. What the fuck? stupid bitch! Sorry. I apologize for my vulgar fucking language. First try, 0 deaths, easy, no worries. I wouldn't even know you. Why me stressing over him? Yeah, right. And you... Hold on. Oh. Holy grease. Boss, 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 boss. Ah! Die. No! Bro was one tap. How did that not kill him? Alright, chat. I'm done. I'm done getting beat up. I'm done getting beat up. You wanna know what? I've unlocked a new power. Let's call it the power of determination, grit. You see, when a man falls, does he lay down or does he get back up and continue fighting? That's what determines what a real man is. You see, you can get your face pounded into the dirt for eternity, never winning a single thing. In fact, you can be a complete loser, but as long as you try and try, maybe one day you won't be such a fucking loser. True shit. Stop that. You're weird. You're weird! You're weird! Something weird. Hey, it's me, I rolled it. Maybe it makes sense. One second. I'm not gonna get the crit. That's unfortunate. Dead. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! I'm so sorry. There's a chance we can find a level 2 in here, Chuck. There is a chance. There is a chance. Already a legendary. Yo, that's the craziest party I've ever seen over there. Oh! Leave me alone, Daryl. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke with that boy. Whoa! We got a larval tier, chat! Ah! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Oh! Yo, we're in the fucking game like EA, baby! Oh my fucking god! I can't scream, but I wanna scream so loud! Arsenal Char +1! This Hulgarian manor has been filled up with nothing but fucking goop! Holy fuck, I needed this. I needed this. I needed this. Chat, I needed this. I needed this. I needed this. Unrivaled in the land. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mimic to your ashes. What in the absolute fuck? We've gotten every legendary fucking summon in the game, it feels like, dude. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 legendary summons already. Holy shit. Dog. Why is it always dog? 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 Why is it always dog and a lobster? Why is it always a dog and a lobster and a bird and a finger and a... Holy shit, everything here is ugly and it wants to kill me. I don't like it. I want to get out of here real quick because I need to get some items and shit. Holy fuck, they're on my dick. I need to get away, go fast, go quick. They come to kill me and I don't like it. Oh my gosh, holy fuck, holy shit. Look at that fucker. Sacred tier, let's go. Nice. What the fuck? And that's Malekith! I don't know if I really want to. I can't fight Malekith right now, chat. I'm gonna go respec and then we'll come back and we'll try. Okay, he'll one tap me and destroy me and murder me and make me wish that I was never born. Elements of surprise. Oh! Seems they had the elements of surprise on me. Holy fuck, where did all those guys come from? Oh, shit. Fuck. No! Bull Tim. Oh my god. There's no fucking way. Like, actually, bro. That's crazy.
Now.
We are now the Hammerman, chat. Oh yeah. Let's give Radagon another try. I'm way off. I haven't fought this guy in so long. We're actually pretty strong. I think we could do this.
Thou art of passing skill. Warrior blood must truly run in thy veins.
Got a frostbite off on him, sick. Let's go! Talisman pouch, nice.
I shall remember thee, tarnished, smoldering with thy meager flame.
W's chat. We're fucking goated. The run has changed. The run has absolutely changed, and it's changed in our favor. First try back at him. That was huge. Absolutely massive. There's something else I want to do before we do that. There's somebody else I want to run it back on. There's a couple people I want to run my fade back on now. I'm feeling kind of nice. Hold on. What's there? Fat rolling. Why am I fat rolling? That fucking talisman really just put me overweight? Hell yeah. No, I was barely I ran into the fucking Scarlet Rock. There's no way! I don't know how I'm getting hit. He just... There's no way I was in the fuck... Oh my god, he's spamming all the annoying shit. Go down! Ooh, let's go! Holy shit, that's 21. And 88,000 runes, chat. I told you it was gonna be fat. That was a late game avatar. That's why it took so much to fucking kill him. Oh my god. Look at this. Legal back to the real table and up it out there, bro. Motherfucking hammered a little bit more, you know. I'm just saying, because I got some money. I think I want to upgrade it about one more time, but I still just want to upgrade it if I can, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck is this? Shaded Castle Castilian. Oh, fucking poison at me, boy. Brute resin. Well, worth it. Alright. Let's go get our face beat in. What in the combo? No way that hits. No fucking way that hits. What the fuck, dude? I'm gonna die from the Scarlet Rot because I can't fucking get off the fucking stick. No fucking way, bro. Fucking move when I can't see him. I can't, bro. What the fuck am I doing, bro? My dodge just didn't fucking dodge. Nah, there's no shot. Alright. Fuck my life. Alright, we're out of here. That actually fucking sucks.